In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or update your Behance cover photo, whether it's for your profile banner or a specific project cover. Let's make sure your Behance page looks exactly the way you want by seamlessly refreshing your visuals. Let's begin with your profile banner, the large, eye-catching image that greets visitors at the top of your profile. For the best results, it's recommended to use an image sized around 3200 by 410 pixels. The process is simple. Head over to your Behance profile on your desktop. If you hover over the banner area, you'll see options to add a new banner image if you haven't set one already, or to replace or remove the existing one. Simply click the relevant option. Next, upload your chosen image, which can be either a PNG or a JPG. While 3200 by 410 pixels is the ideal resolution, some users find success with slightly smaller sizes, like approximately 2850 by 400 pixels, due to how it displays on different monitors. After uploading, use the reposition or zoom tool to adjust the cropping to your liking, then click Done to save your changes. If you encounter issues with uploads failing or getting stuck, consider reducing the file size of your image. Sometimes, another helpful workaround is ensuring that your computer's time zone is set to update automatically, as this can resolve some quirky upload bugs. Now, let's move on to changing the cover image for a specific project, which is that small thumbnail that represents your project. Begin by opening the project and clicking the pencil icon, which will allow you to edit and enter the project editor. From here, you can either click on Settings or the Continue button on the sidebar to move forward. You'll see an option to Edit Cover Image. At this point, you can choose an image that's already part of your project or upload a new one. The recommended minimum size here is 808 by 632 pixels, but keep in mind that it displays at 202 by 158 pixels when viewed as a thumbnail. Once you've selected your image, position it to fit as you'd like. After this, go ahead and click on Crop and Continue, and then finalize by hitting Save or Publish. And here's a handy tip for you. If you've already published your project but decide that you'd like to change the cover image, don't worry. You can still make updates. Just tap on Edit, go to Settings, and then select Edit Cover Image to implement any changes, all confirmed by many users on Reddit to work smoothly. And there you have it. Keep your Behance portfolio looking sharp and up to date with these easy steps. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.